Can you see it? Good morning. I just got ready, or we are getting ready, because we are going to a waterfall. Very impromptu activity, because I felt like we cannot really leave Chiang Mai without seeing a waterfall at the end of the day. So I found one that's very close by. It's a very easy drive as well. So I put my hair in a braid. I don't know what to do with my hair anymore. Glasses on, because I keep forgetting my sunglasses when we're on the scooter and a lot of stuff flies into my eyes. I'm just wearing a white tee from Brandy, my Lululemon leggings, of course, and I will be wearing my brown Pumas. And then we are off. It's very early in the morning, 8 a.m.-ish, but we are determined. We are determined to go and see that waterfall for like a few minutes. We are at Huay waterfall. I forgot my DJI at home, so now we're vlogging with the Canon. Oh, I haven't done this in so long. Quality top notch. Oh wow! The waterfall. Can you see it? Can you see it? And this was only a 20-minute drive, 25-minute drive, and now we're seeing these waterfalls. Wow. Yum yum.
Refreshing.
Hij heeft hem ook al terug op de grill gelegd nadat hij hem had gesneden. Thank you. Ooh. Taste test?
Olha, tá só vindo, mãe. Claro. Claro.
Average beef. We're back at the hotel and I look very crusty. Don't mind that, I'm gonna do a full shower soon. But I got another sticky rice mango. I did buy one already and we ate it and it was just not hitting, and the reason why it was not good, it was because I actually steered away from the place that I always go to, and I bought it from another place and it just was not good. So I got another one from the place I always get it. And we also found something else, and these are like nostalgic from my childhood. They are like these jellies, and they don't really sell these in the Netherlands anymore. So whenever I see them in Asia, I kind of need to have them, and they were also super cheap. This whole bag of jelly is not even €1, so I'm gonna enjoy these. But first I need to freshen up and get ready for bed because I feel all sticky from the oil massage, which was a really good massage actually. So happy we did another massage. Tomorrow again. Good night. Good morning. We just got ready. It's like 8 a.m.-ish. And we got ready because we are going to a cooking class. And it's a cooking class that I saw online, I think on TikTok, and people were very loving about it. So I scheduled it for us. And it's gonna be a long cooking class day because it's like from 8:30 or from 9-ish till 2 p.m. So we're gonna cook a lot and we're going to the market. I dressed kind of appropriate because it's still so early. I just put on jeans, and these are new jeans. It's the first time that I'm wearing them. It's boot cut and I can't believe how good they fit. These are Levi's and I got them from Spartu, and I'm just wearing my little tabbies underneath it and my boat neck from Gina Tricot. And of course, I'm gonna bring you guys along with the cooking class if I can film there. So I'm super excited. Let's go.
It's on. Be careful. Yeah.
Kijk hoe je kijkt altijd. Je kijkt altijd.
Ik heb ook van een hele straat.
My emotion says one.
You like spicy? That's one. Great, great, great. Yeah, 80%.
En maar ligt nou aan mij of is hier gewoon genoeg plek? Oké.
Het is heel glibberig, als het goed is. Lekker?
Er zit ook een beetje curry kaken.
Eerlijk daar natuurlijk. Ja. Lekker, wat is dit? Niet?
Geen wagyu.
Niet?
Robbie. Oh, dat is zo lekker.
Good morning. I look a little rough because I'm also feeling a little rough. It's our last full day in Chiang Mai. And I'm getting ready right now because I have my last Pilates class today. My boyfriend went to boxing, so I have to go to Pilates by myself. And normally in the morning we already have breakfast, but today we didn't. because we went separate ways. So I have these 2 jellies that I'm gonna eat right now, but oh my god, it feels like someone punched me in the face last night or something. I don't know why I'm feeling like this. Well, maybe I do know why. I'm on my period, so maybe that's causing some exhaustion from my side. This might be TMI, but I was expecting my period to come tomorrow, and then I would have it when I'm in Hong Kong the first few days, but I'm kind of happy that I got it like yesterday, so then when I arrive in Hong Kong I'm like free from all this period feels. Okay, maybe 1 jelly is enough. Because normally my boyfriend would drive me to the Pilates class and he's not available today. I'm going to book a Grab bike, not a Grab car, but a bike, so that you get just on the back of someone's bike and go there, because I think that's the easiest and fastest way to get there. I did walk once, but it was like 20 minutes of walking and I feel like that's just doing too much in the condition that I'm in right now, so I'm not gonna go for a 20-minute walk in the heat. Anyway, I'm going to get ready a little bit faster and then I'll see you guys in the afternoon or some. Guys, I have a headache, and can I tell you guys an embarrassing story? I told you guys this morning I was going to Pilates, but I was also not feeling too well because I'm on my period. Well, during the class I leaked TMI. I was like fully prepared, but we were doing core and like extreme core. It was going crazy and I think that gave my period too much pressure, so I had to leave mid-class because I was leaking and I was like embarrassed. So I was like, hey, so I'm on my period, I gotta go. It was slightly embarrassing. And I've been having a headache since this morning when I woke up already. So I am just low on energy. We are now waiting until we go outside again for our last meal here. We reserved at the same Thai restaurant that we ate at a few days ago, so it's gonna be really good food, and I think we're gonna do one last massage after that. Tomorrow morning we have to get to the airport kind of early, so I won't be vlogging tomorrow anymore, and I think I'm gonna end my vlog here because I have such a headache that I'm just not in the mood to be picking up my vlog camera for the rest of the evening anymore. I am gonna start a new vlog when I am in Hong Kong, so this is the end of this vlog and this Chiang Mai journey. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and this is definitely a trip that you should consider booking if you want to go to Thailand and going to Chiang Mai. We love it here. It's our favorite city in Thailand, I think. So yeah, I will see you guys next Sunday again. Stay healthy, stay thriving. Bye.